In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful strategy that even a beginner can use and start generating passive income with Fiverr affiliates. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. And I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use with just 10 minutes a day to start making passive income with Fiverr affiliates. So this is a website called substack.com. So basically this website right here allows writers to make money off their content. So basically people who are interested in those writers would have to subscribe to those writers to have access to whatever content they share on this platform. So basically if you have 800 people subscribe to you, you can see you can make over $4,000 every single month on substack.com. So basically I'm going to show you how to do this for absolutely free. You don't even need to use this paid feature of substack.com. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to affiliate.fiverr.com. So once you come over to this website, as you can see, boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr. So basically all you just need to do is to drive traffic to Fiverr, and once people make a purchase of Fiverr, you make money. It's that simple. So the next thing is to click on this commission plan. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you are going to see Fiverr CPA and Fiverr Hybrid. So basically these are the two major systems they have on Fiverr affiliate. So basically I personally use Fiverr CPA because for Fiverr CPA you get a one-time commission, which means you can get between $15 to $150 per commission. And if you scroll down to this section, you are going to see the Fiverr CPA commissions right here, up to $150, and the lowest you can get is $15. All right. And the next one here is Fiverr Hybrid, which means you are going to get a $10 commission, and you are also going to get 10% of whatever the buyer purchase on Fiverr in the next 12 months. I hope that makes sense. So now once you do this, you want to pick a niche right here, and you are going to see how much you are going to get paid for whatever niche you promote on Fiverr affiliates. And now if you scroll down, you can go through any of the section you prefer to go with. Is 100% up to you. Okay, so now I'll be taking this section that says logo maker as an example. So once you've chosen a niche of your choice on this list, the next thing is to click on this start earning now. It's going to bring you to this page where you basically need to enter first name, last name, email address, username, and your other basic details right here. So once you do that, you are going to have access to Fiverr affiliate instantly. So once you've created your account, the next thing you want to do is to go over to fiverr.com to look for a logo design gig. And now once you come over to this section, all you just need to do is to type in a keyword depending on whatever niche you decide to go with. Since I'm using the logo niche as an example, all I need to do is to type in logo design right here, and you are going to see a list of Fiverr gigs that you can promote and drive traffic to and earn money. Okay, so you want to make sure to look for a gig that has a very good rating and has orders in queue. So basically this one here has 18 orders in queue. So if you drive traffic to this page and people see that this gig has 18 orders in queue, they are more likely to purchase this gig because it tells them people are interested in this seller. And also you can see over 2,000 people have purchased this gig. Okay, so now the next thing you want to do, once you found a gig you want to use, all you just need to do is to copy the URL of this gig. So once you do that, you want to come back to your account and you want to scroll down to this section that says marketing tools, and you want to click on default and deep links. So once you do that, you want to come to this section that says LP URL, and this is where you want to basically paste in the Fiverr gig link, and you want to click on enter. So once you do that, like I said, it's going to show you a link you can use for Fiverr CPA or Fiverr Hybrid. Okay, so like I said, I personally prefer Fiverr CPA, but you can use Fiverr Hybrid if you want. So once you do this, the next step is to basically go over to bit.ly.com and you want to shorten your affiliate link. So once you paste the link right here, your link will be generated. So now you want to come back to substack.com to create an account here as well, because this is the website we are going to be using to make money. Okay, so once you come over here, you want to click on create your Substack. So once you do that, you can create an account with Twitter. You can click on skip and type in your email address to create an account. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. So now once you come over to your dashboard, you want to click on this section that says new post. So once you do this, you are going to need to enter your content right here. And now I know you are thinking about, where do you get content from to post on this website? So basically, I'm going to show you a powerful website that you can use. And this website is called answerthepublic.com. So basically, as you can see right here, it says discover what people are asking about. So basically, this way you will be able to give 100% value to people because you already know what they are looking for in that niche. So basically, for example, since we are using the logo design niche, all you just need to do is to type in the keyword right here and you want to click on search. So once you do that, as you can see, this keyword gets over 100,000 searches every single month. So now the next step is to click on data. So now basically, as you can see, there are a lot of questions on this page that you can basically use to make money. So I'm taking this one here as an example, which says logo design for YouTube channel. So all I just need to do is to copy this question as an example, and you want to head over to Google and you want to type in Chat GPT. So once you type in Chat GPT, you want to click on the first link. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you can create an account on Chat GPT for absolutely free. So once you come over to this section, for those who don't know what Chat GPT is, basically it's an AI tool that can answer whatever question you have. So all you just need to do is to come over to this section and you want to basically paste in that question right there. So once you do that, all you just need to do is to click on enter. So basically, as you can see right here, Chat GPT has provided the answer to this question. All right, so all you just need to do is to copy this answer. So once you copy that, the next step is to basically enter a better title for this article. So you want to type in something simple like 5 benefits of logo design for YouTubers. And here you want to enter subtitle like logo for YouTubers right here. You want to come to this section that says style and you want to click on this heading 1. So once you do that, this is where you want to paste in the content from Chat GPT. All right. So basically, as you can see, this is it right here, which says here are some tips for creating a great logo design for YouTube channel. All right. So now once everything looks good, so you want to scroll to the top of the article and you want to type in something simple like this. If you want your YouTube channel to stand out, take a look at this amazing logo designer. So now you want to highlight this and you want to give this a bold and you want to click on this link icon. So once you click on that, then you want to go back to the bit.ly page and here you want to copy in the shorten link and then you want to basically paste in the link right here. So once you do that, all you just need to do is click on link and now this is all you need to do. So now you can basically click on this preview button to see what your article is going to look like on mobile devices and also on PC. As you can see, this is what it's going to look like on desktop. So basically, this is all you need to do, and this took less than 10 minutes to create this content. So all you need to do from here is to click on done, and here you want to click on continue. And now you want to scroll down. Like I said, you can see you can ask people to pay money to access this content, but basically you don't need to do that, and you want to leave this as everyone. So once you do that, you want to click on this send to everyone. So basically, your content has been posted on substack.com. All right. So once you do that, as you can see, you can share this link on Facebook or on Twitter, or you can just copy the direct link to this article. So if you paste the link in a new tab, and once people come over to this page and they click on this link, so as you can see, it's going to bring them to this page. And once they come over to this page and they make this purchase, you make $30. And keep in mind, the purchase must be made from a first-time buyer before you can get the commission. So basically, that is a little bit downside to using Fiverr affiliate. So basically, you want to come over to Facebook and all you just need to do is to type in YouTube in the search bar and you want to basically filter to groups. Here you are going to find thousands of people who have YouTube channels and are looking to grow their YouTube channels. So basically, this is a perfect group that you can join and tell people the benefit of having a logo for their YouTube channel. All right. So basically, I'm going to take this group as an example, which has over 280,000 members. So once you come over to this group, all you just need to do is to write in something catchy and tell people to check out this link to learn the benefits of getting a logo for their YouTube channel. And I can guarantee you that a lot of them are going to click on this link because they are already in this group to grow their YouTube channel. Okay, so basically, this is a very targeted way of finding people who are going to purchase the Fiverr gig. And also keep in mind, you don't have to go for gigs that are expensive. You can basically come over to Fiverr and look for cheaper gigs like this one that has $10 right here. So basically, if I click on this one, you can see this person has over 621 orders in queue. As you can see, the price is very cheap queue and over 42,000 reviews. So this is going to definitely be a perfect gig to use to make money with Fiverr affiliates. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and also make sure to click on one of the two videos on your screen right now to learn more ways on how to make money online. So basically, if you have any question, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.